Companies will pay you 6 figures if you can solve this coding question. So given a 2D matrix that contains X and O's, capture all the regions that are surrounded by X. Let's say we're given this matrix, we have this area that is surrounded by X. We can capture the area by setting all the values to X. Let's go over the thought process. Every cell that's at the borders cannot be surrounded by X. What we can do is perform a breadth first search from the borders to find all the connected cells. Let's break this question down into 2 parts. We can first convert all the cells that are connected to the borders to Y. Then we can perform a full scan through the matrix, converting O's to X and Y's to O. Let's go over the code, create the 2D matrix for the 4 directions, implement the function solve, taking the input board, convert O's connected to the borders and flip the cells, implement the function to convert O's to Y, iterate through the first row and last row, iterate through the first column and last column to convert O's to Y. Implement the function convert O to Y, taking row, column, and the board. If the cell does not contain O, return from the method. Create a queue at the cell, set the cell to Y while the queue is not empty. Pull a cell, iterate through the 4 directions, calculate new row and new column. If the new row and new column is out of bound or does not contain O, continue to next direction. Add the cell and set the cell to Y. Implement the function flip cells, taking input board. Iterate through all the cells, convert O's to X and Y's to O.